don't know where your speaker is at. Hi guys, welcome to day, I don't know what day it is. Friday. It's a Friday. It's a Friday. Say hi. A beauty by Alyssa Renee. I currently am on like 2 5-hour energies. And we're on our way to try to see the sunrise to the beach. Unfortunately, the sun's coming out a little bit. So hopefully we make it.
Currently, what time is it?
5:10. 5:08. 5:08.
5:08.
Currently.
AM.
I'm eating pretzels. I don't even know how I'm awake right now. Jesus, what a beautiful day. I want some fish and chips.
You just need to sleep.
Never. You know.
Lay on the beach. You're gonna knock.
I'm gonna plug 5-hour energy. Oop, that's my dad. All right, I'll let you go. I love you. Oh shoot, it's getting a little brighter. Just slow down. Be careful, Alyssa. Watch out, Alyssa.
Okay.
Alyssa. Gosh, Alyssa, guys. Never drive with her at 4 in the morning when she's on a 5-hour energy drink.
You're the one on a 5-hour energy drink. I'm the phone.
Hey, it doesn't matter who's on a 5-hour energy drink. It just means that one of us is on a 5-hour energy drink. I have so much energy, I have to say it twice. So yeah, we're on our way. I wanted to show you guys the road that it takes to get to Alyssa's favorite beach. And look at guys, that's the ocean right there.
Oh fudge, if we can't see the sunrise, I'm gonna be pissed.
And it's overcasted.
I can't be.
Hey, look, it's mobile.
It has to show up, it just has
It
to.
doesn't have to do anything. That's a Mother Nature, Alyssa. Sometimes it doesn't show up. Sometimes it does.
I swear to God, every time we come to the beach, specifically to see like the sunset, it never happens.
Oh yeah, that's true.
And it was out here too.
I told you, Laguna's just cursed. I don't know why you want to come here all the time.
You know, it's really cursed around the
It's a nice, quaint little town, but it's cursed. This is the first beach me and Alyssa ever went to together, guys. Anyways, bye. Love you.
We made it. It's currently 5:30 in the morning.
What beach do you want to go on today?
We're here at Laguna. Oh my God, no one's here.
Well, it's 5:30 in the morning, Alyssa. No one is
Wait,
gonna be here.
there might be a sunrise or else I'm gonna be pissed. Favorite beach ever. So, we didn't see a sunrise yet, but look at all the bunnies. Look at all them.
It's overcasted, Alyssa. There's no sunrise.
Look at all those.
Unfortunately, it is overcasted, so we're not gonna be able to get the sunrise on the horizon. We'll definitely come back. I gotta make sure Alyssa sees the sunrise, but you know, the whole goal now is to, you know, watch the clouds part and just kind of try to get like those rays that come in between. Maybe get some epic pictures like that, but we'll keep you posted.
I'm so sad.
It's okay. It's our luck.
I woke up at 3 in the morning for this.
Hey, we're at the beach, okay?
I guess it still is like really nice and relaxing, but like I wanted to see a
And no one's out. We didn't have to deal with any traffic. I was jamming out.
I like took the toll road to get here in time. And there's no sunrise.
I mean, it still looks pretty. Yeah, it's a different kind of pretty.
No one's on the
no one's on the beach.
Oh.
So we like that for sure.
Okay. So we're gonna climb this rock. Go, babe, go! You're doing great, sweetie. Dang, he got up fast. My turn. I'm scared.
I try to set up a time lapse.
Babe, this looks so cool.
I told you it was better. Turn up too.
Oh, you're so cute. We're on the top! So even though like there's no sunrise this morning, just being here at the beach this early in the morning, let's see what time it is. 5:56 in the morning. I've never been to the beach this early, neither has Jonathan. And we're at my favorite beach, Laguna Beach. Jonathan's taking pictures. We're on top of this rock. And even though we came here for a sunrise, we didn't get a sunrise obviously because it's overcast. But I'm trying to look at the positives, and it's still super pretty. Like, it's so peaceful and relaxing here this early. Just seeing the waves crash and watching the ocean. Super pretty. So we're gonna have to come back another time when it's sunnier to see the sunrise, but it's still pretty today. So I'm very thankful and blessed to be here right now. Oh, I'm so happy.
I feel like we didn't even need the blankets or anything. It's nice enough.
I know. Look at that view. Oh wow, look at that view right there in front of me.
Ooh, it's gonna be nice. Look at the white water on that one's gonna be nice.
It's pretty. I love you.
Love you too. Don't drop that block.
Ah! Dang, this is so crazy.
Damn. I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time I'd stay for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you.
She is so cute. Get it. All you, girl. You got it. Execute it. Let's get that in. Hey!
Really sad.
Best one yet.
Babe, are you tired? Look at this dog! We've been cuddling.
All she wants to do is cuddle every day. Every day. Why? Don't zoom in on my face.
You're beautiful.
I know I am.
I want to stay here most of the day, but tomorrow we're actually going back to the beach with my family and Jonathan's coming. So we're going to be at the beach all day pretty much tomorrow. So Jonathan and I haven't rode the Incredicoaster yet at Disneyland. The new Pixar Pier, whatever.
I'm gonna take a nap on the way.
That's okay, you didn't get any sleep. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Bonsai Bowl, get some acai bowls, and then go to Disneyland. Is this putting you to sleep?
Huh? What?
Is this putting you to sleep?
No. I remember this. Love you!
I'll see you at Bonsai Bowl.
See you at Bonsai Bowl. Love.
We're at Bonsai Bowl. I got the Shark's Cove with apple juice. Jonathan got the same thing. He's devouring it because this is his breakfast and my breakfast too. So I'm gonna go eat it now. Okay guys, we're at Disneyland now. We're waiting for Incredicoaster. We're in the first ride.
Para su seguridad, les pedimos que vayan.
I'm so excited!
And the baby is gone.
It's not.
Yes, Cookie.
It's going in. Hold on. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
stop or not, but I mean, that was pretty fun. I don't know. It was kind of like, I like California Dreaming kind of better. So it is now much later in the day. Jonathan and I got home from Disneyland. We actually only went on an Incredicoaster, and then Jonathan said he started feeling nauseous because he didn't get much sleep, and he drank a 5-hour energy without anything in his stomach, so that probably made him feel nauseous.
I got it back. Get right.
I gave him my 3DS. It's now like 5:30, so we left Disneyland because Jonathan was like about to pass out, and then we went to eat lunch. Then we came back to his house. I dropped him off. We both took showers. Then I came back to his house, and look what he surprised me with. 2 dozen roses. Like, what? And not only 2 dozen roses, like look at that. Oh my god, that is a lot of roses. So pretty. Those are my favorite flowers. And he got me a churro, or his dad got me a churro, but he told his dad to get me a churro because I like churros. Shout out to Jonathan for the roses. You're so sweet. I'm surprised it's like 2 dozen roses. That's a lot of roses. I'm gonna eat my churro and enjoy my roses. Oh, and we're having a game night tonight at Jonathan's house with his parents. So that should be interesting since they're all competitive. Quick little update. Maybe a vlog later. Hopefully, we'll see.